Hi friend, I want to personally invite you to join me for the BB Art Journals Masterclass. I only open the doors one time a year, and now is almost the time to welcome you in with open arms to join not only a class, but a really supportive, welcoming community that is gonna hype you up every step of the way. We all are at different skill levels and different places in our journey, but the greatest thing is that we're gonna come together and encourage each other through it all. This class is jam-packed. I had to spread it out over 12 weeks and 9 different modules. You're gonna learn so much about art, journal making, creating, and play. And I want to encourage you for every step of the way. I offer personal feedback to every single person that wants it inside the class. We have live Q&As and co-creates, so this isn't a class that you have to do on your own. Maybe it's a little daunting to think about all of the information that's packed into this class, but I'm gonna handhold you, guide you through as much as you want me to. I want to help you and encourage you on this journey.